आम्ही अनाउन्स केलेलं हे कॉम्पिटिशन, सोलो सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, ओरिजिनल रिलीजियस सॉन्ग आणि आमच्या फ्रांसिस्कन सांता भक्तांच्या वयर दोगा जाणांक वेंचून काडून आमचो स्थापनार सेंट फ्रांसिस ऑफ असिसी आणि सेंट पाद्र पियो ह्या कपेलाचो पात्रोन ह्या दोनाय सांता भक्तां वयर आमी हे कॉम्पिटिशन केलेले. आमच्या सगळ्या पार्टिसिपंट्सांक सुमार 20 दीस मेवल्ले ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनात भाग घेवंक. आयचो दीस आयला, हो आयचो दीस जावन आसा सेंट पाद्र पियोचो फेस्ताचो दीस आनी आमी सांगलेले आयज आमी रिजल्ट अनाउन्स करतले म्हणून. म्हणून हो रिजल्ट आमी आतां अनाउन्स करता. हांगासर बसून आसा आमचे नेमान चीफ गेस्ट आनी ते एन्वेलप ओपन करून रिजल्ट अनाउन्स करतले. पयल्या सुवातेर काळजांकांक देव बरें करूं म्हणून सोदता. ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाचो मेन स्पॉन्सर जावन आसा मोरायस फॅमिली, जॉयल आनी ताची पत्नी क्रिस्ताबेल. जॉयल बोटीर आसा, पॅन्डेमिकाक लागून गोंयांत येवंक मेळूंक ना. वी आर मिसिंग हिम हियर फॉर दीस फंक्शन, फॉर दीस रिजल्ट. आनी ताची सगळीं 4 भुरगीं आसात, व्हेरी स्मार्ट. So I welcome them in the name of the community of Padre Pio to announce the result. आमच्या पॉइंटाचो गार्डियन आसा फॉर द सिप्रियन डायस, तोय अनाउन्स करतलो रिजल्ट. आमच्या संघात आसा फॉर द ऑर्फन मिनेझिस, ह्या पॉइंटाचो ट्रेजरर, तोय अनाउन्स करतलो. पूण आमी सगळीं हांगासर आसा हो रिजल्ट अनाउन्स करूंक. पयल्या सुवातेर सगळ्यांक दिनवासता. खरें म्हटल्यार ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आय डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट सच अ गुड रिस्पॉन्स. पयल्याच फावट आमी ऑल गोवा ऑनलायन एक्चुअली वर्ल्ड लेवल हें कॉम्पिटिशन आमी करता. दुबय सावन, गल्फाक सावन, लंडनाक सावन एंट्रीज येयलेल्यो आसात. म्हणटच वी हॅड अ व्हेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स एंड द जजींग वॉज रियली टफ. सो सगळ्या पार्टिसिपंट्सांक हांव काळजांतान देव बरें करता. सगळ्यांक प्रायज मेळना, but participation is more important because we are all doing for the glory of God. देवाक मोहिमा दिवंक कित्याक हो खांतार करपाचो, खांतार बरोवपाचो, म्युजीक वाजोवपाचो हें देणें देवान आमकां दिलां. म्हणूच हें देणें जें देवान आमकां दिलां तेंच देणें घेवन आमी देवा बापाची मोहिमा गावूंक आमी ट्राय करता. So this competition is a platform to give back to God what God has given to us. So I thank all the participants who have participated, irrespective of those who will receive the rewards or prizes. Do not be discouraged, do not be disheartened. It's not about a real competition, but it's about our aim of this competition was to make you interested in the lives of saints. And in this competition, in the life of Saint Francis of Assisi and Saint Padre Pio. तर वेळ आयला एन्वेलप ओपन करून नावां वाचूंक आनी अनाउन्स करून हें कॉम्पिटिशन कोण जिखता पळय तो. ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक सांगला ते भाशेन आमी 4 कॅटेगरीज केल्लेल्यो. भुरग्यांच्यो, ज्युनियर कॅपुचिन बॉयज ऑफ गोवा, मागीर स्कूल चिल्ड्रन, टीन कॅपुचिन बॉयज ऑफ गोवा, आनी मागीर आमची तरणाटी यूथ कॅपुचिन बॉयज ऑफ गोवा, आनी मागीर 31 and above सगळी एडल्ट बॉयज or senior boys. So my dear friends, we begin with the junior category. And so let us see who gets the 3rd prize in the junior category, Capuchin Boys de Goa.
The 3rd prize is backed by Jensina Nicolai Pereira. The name of the song, Jesuche Paklaudar. Music was given by Sabi Pereira and the lyrics were done by Sabi Pereira.
So, 3rd prize is already out. Now let us see who gets the 2nd prize. And the young Morais, the junior most, he is waiting to open the envelope. Come on.
And the 2nd prize is backed by Miss Miara Angel Mascarenes. Name of the song, Amso Ascari Sant Padre Pio. Music was given by Philip Barreto and the lyrics were done by George Gonzalez.
Wow! 2nd prize in the junior category is out, and the
And the first prize is backed by Miss Annalie Pires de Menezes. Name of the song, Path Pure. The lyrics were done by Father Myron Jason Barreto.
So the junior category is out. Third, second and first prize. We congratulate all the winners of this competition in this category of Capuchin Boys with Goa junior category. We now come to the teen category. Let us see who has won the prizes. And so the third prize in the teen category goes to
Third prize goes to Miss Ashbel Gomez. Name of the song, Path Pure. Music was given by Frankie and Ashel. Lyrics, China Goes.
So congratulations Ashel. And the second prize in the teen category, Capuchin Boys with Goa, goes to
Second prize, Andrea Pearl Rego. Name of the song, Goli Devatso. Music, Norman Cardozo. Lyrics also were given by Norman Cardozo.
So congratulations Andrea. And the first prize in the teen category of Capuchin Boys with Goa goes to
First prize goes to Miss Kiara Joanne Fernandez. Name of the song, Act of Love. Music was given by Dr. Neeraj. Lyrics were done by Miss Kiara Fernandez.
So congratulations Kiera. Congratulations to the junior category, those have won awards, and the teen category. And I thank Moraes family. Joel is not here, we are missing him. Christabel, his wife is here, and his beautiful children. Thank you for announcing the result. Now we have our guardian for the Cyprian Dice to announce the category, youth category of Capuchin Boys with Goa. And the third prize goes to
Miss Cleta S. Cardozo. Name of the song, Asesito San Francis. Music by Father Freddy Lobo. Lyrics by Father Freddy Lobo.
Wow! So congratulations, Cleta. And now the second prize in this category, youth category, Capuchin Boys with Goa, goes to
Miss Sheena P. Fernandez. Miss Sheena P. Fernandez. Name of the song, Jivo Rupkar Jisutso. Music, Adrian Atau. Lyrics, Lourdes Fernandez.
Congratulations, Sheena. You have won an award, a reward, and the first prize in the youth category goes to
Miss Ruchita Groves. Name of the song, Padre Pio. Music, Senor de Souza. Lyrics, Father Joel Dias.
Congratulations, Ruchita. And we thank Father Cyprian for announcing the results. I think this category needs a round of applause. Thank you, Father Cyprian. And finally, my dear friends, we now come to the senior category of Capuchin Boys with Goa. And we have Father Orphan Graces, our treasurer, to announce the result. So let's go. Let's hear who gets the third prize. And the third prize goes to
Third prize goes to Mr. Pio Staines. Name of the song, Santa Golden Bar. Music, Pio Staines. Lyrics, Pio Staines.
Pio Staines, congratulations! I know you have won many prizes and one more added to your list, to your kitty. Congratulations. And the second prize goes to
Second prize goes to Mr. Ivan Mario de Cruz. Name of the song, Saint Padre Pio. Music, Ivan. Lyrics, Ivan.
Ivan de Cruz, congratulations! Great, you have won the second prize. And now the final, first prize in the senior category of Capuchin Boys with Goa 2020 goes to
First place goes to Mr. Ashley Pinto. Name of the song, All the Boy Could Sing. Music, Tony Dawes. Lyrics, Ernest J. Lanigan.
So Anshmi, congratulations. The selected the first winner, the first prize. Wow, thank you so much. And my dear friends, we have 2 more prizes. Best music in all categories and best lyrics in all categories. I request for the Cyprian to announce best music. Let's see who wrote the best music, composed the best music for the songs.
And the prize goes to Senor de Souza for Ruchita's song, Youth Category.
So, Senior D'Souza, congratulations. He composed and played for Ruchita's song. Congratulations, you are the best musician in this competition. So, my dear friends, we come to the last award in today's function. The last award is, though not the least, the best lyrics. Let's try to find out who has won this award, this prize for the best lyrics. And once again, I request for the Orphan Menezes to announce this result.
The best lyrics. The award goes to Father Myron Jason Barreto for Jeremy Furtado, Team Category.
Wow. Father Myron, congratulations. You are our partner as a family. We are proud of you. And I thank for the Orphan Menezes. I thank for the Cyprian. I thank Christabel, the family, the children, and Joel who is on board the ship. I thank you for coming and gracing this occasion and for announcing the result. But here is the good news. All those who have won the prizes today, please come to this chapel on 4th of October to collect your prizes. We will have another small function like this and give away the prizes. So please come on 4th of October 2020. That is the feast of St. Francis of Assisi, our founder. And before I conclude, I request once again our guardian for the Cyprian Diocese to say a few words.
Thank you all the viewers and all the participants. We know everyone can't be a winner, but the aim was that you know about our saints, St. Francis of Assisi and St. Padre Pio. And this is what you have done in the competition, knowing about the saint and singing it. So we thank you once again for all your effort. Though everyone can't be a winner, but we thank you for all your active participation and God bless you. We would also like to thank our sponsors, Joel and Christabel Morais, for coming forward and hosting this award ceremony. We wish them all the best and God's choicest blessings on their family. Last but not the least, as Father Nelson was announcing, that the prize distribution will be held on the 4th of October, and you know it is the feast day of our patron saint, St. Francis of Assisi. Till then, bye and God bless you.
Thank you. See you again.